Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. I am a certified holistic nutritionist and a skincare expert. In this video, we are talking about the benefits of an ice roller, which I have right here. So I do love ice cubes, which you could make for your face, and I have a video about that. I love the effect it gives on the skin, the puffiness. It really makes your skin glow and give you that pinkish look, especially in the morning when we all need it so much. But when using the roller, you also get the benefits of the massage because of the moves that you're making. If you're interested in the best anti-aging techniques and the most effective techniques in facial massage and the devices that are absolute necessity in your skincare, you do need to check out the complete guide to facelift, massage techniques and lymph drainage, which I have made. I am sure you will love it because it gives you all I've just listed above, and also it will help you to learn how to promote healthy lymph drainage, add healthy lifestyle habits, and obviously tons of skincare tips. So how the ice rollers really work. So it's a pretty simple concept. You store them in the refrigerator, and it also most likely will have a detachable roller. So this one is just the roller filled with water, which once you put in the freezer, it freezes. And I have another attachment, which is stainless steel. Basically, I do not see a huge difference in the two. And what's good with the rollers is that they stay cool for a very, very long time. So what's important though is usually I keep them in the refrigerator. I keep them in a plastic bag, or it could be any other pouch. It's important so this way you kind of keep them sanitary. After every use, I love washing them with soap and water. And before every use, I also love to spray them with just rubbing alcohol, because I believe that any massaging device must be clean before you're going to use it. So, as far as the benefit, there are short-term benefits, which is it's calming the inflammation if you have inflammation on your skin. It helps to depuff and reduces the swelling, which is actually great. You can also use it not necessarily on your face. Maybe you have some bruises where you need to reduce that inflammation. You could use that for that purpose as well. It shrinks capillaries. It also is great to people suffering from acne and even having sensitive skin. If you have acne in an active form, say like the cheeks, when you are applying it, I would not suggest you apply too much pressure because you do not want to irritate the area, but a little bit could still work in that case. Now, if you are waxing, it could definitely calm the skin after that. If you have a razor burn, it could help you with that. If you have a bug bite or itchiness, that could help you as well. And for some people they claim that it also helps with the headache when it's either applied to the headache or the temples, if you could tolerate the cold. Now, there are also long-term benefits. First of all, with the massage, we regularly massage our skin. It will help our skin to become firmer, so they're toned. It will help it be less red in the long run, because the inflammation on your skin sometimes causes the redness, and it could contribute this inflammation to the premature aging, rosacea, acne, and psoriasis. It's absolutely, I can't call it a solution for psoriasis or acne, of course not, but it might help with the inflammation. So how are we going to use it? I prefer, you could use it in the morning when you want to really depuff, but you could use it in the evening. Say if you feel that there's a lot of tension in your face, you kind of like stressed in your face, you could use it after you've had an exfoliation treatment. For example, you had an acid peel, and it will help you to soothe your skin after that, especially if you have sensitive skin. You should be especially careful for that purpose. If you had lip or eyebrow wax, you could use that for that purpose as well. So you freeze the roller, take it out, choose the roller you want to work with. You spray alcohol in it. My roller is clean, and it will start to melt. But you shouldn't be worrying about that. It will stay cold for a long time. I also suggest you keep one product per one person, so you don't share it with anyone, again for sanitary reasons. And on the clean and bare skin, for example, if you've just you wake up, you don't need to clean your face. You just could work with this device right away. In the evening, if you have makeup on your face, I would suggest you clean your face first. You could use the toner after. So the way we're going to work, we need to follow the massage lines, and all our moves need to be very confident. So it's not just like all over. We will start with the jawline, and we will move up. I can tolerate cold pretty well, but obviously not everybody can. So you can maybe make a little faster stroke, but your face will become cold, like you're freezing it in the end. This massage doesn't require a lot of time, obviously, because we work with a cold, so 5 minutes tops, I say, it will be enough. So we are starting with the jawline and moving up. You could do 5 swipes like that, and then we will continue to move up where our cheekbone is. And I suggest you apply pressure because you want to feel the muscles. And same thing will go here. So these are the moves. I would say you divide it into 3. 1, 2, and a little higher, 3. And all those times we're applying pressure. You obviously repeat the same thing here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or maybe you could do 5 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are also rollers in the market that are a little, they're narrow, they're not that wide. But I find working with the wide roller really is completely fine. Now our forehead, so we will work up towards our hairline. Say I will do 5, and then I will work diagonally and do another 5. And another 5 right here. So you could also work along the nose like that and going up. You could obviously work in the jaw. I would say I like working like that, sort of dividing this into 2 and go to the right and to the left like that. Now the eyes are obviously very important here because the roller is wide. It really doesn't let me to work that easy, but just being careful. You put the roller very close to your eye and you move out. You move out like that, and we repeat the same here. Moving out, moving out. So it's actually pretty simple. What I also love to do is I love to close my eye and just put it on my eye like that. It gives me a little coolness, and you repeat with this eye. Perfect. So all this will help to promote lymph drainage and also depuff your face. And all the moves I've just showed you, you could repeat pretty much as many times as you want. I believe you could do a lot in 5 minutes. And maybe you can finish up with the neck massage. But this thing is cold, it might be harder for you on the neck. So in this case, just do it with your hands, and we will complete the lymph drainage with moves like that. We will massage our neck. Maybe during the massage you will feel the urge to swallow. That's great. It means that we've done some good work there. You could massage your neck. I love massaging my neck. Like that. Like that. And in the end, you could also finish up with massaging your ears. Massaging your ears will also sort of give you more energy in the morning. So this is it. It's pretty simple. You follow the massage lines. You could do them several times. You don't forget about your eyes. Use the cooling motions. Maybe you could start with a little higher and then move down, and then maybe even hold them right under your eye where the puffiness and the under eye bags are. And then don't forget to move it out like this. So I hope, guys, you like this video. It's pretty simple to use, and it's not expensive at all. There are also more expensive options you could find when they are made of glass. They kind of look very luxurious, and like you want to have them, but in my experience, it absolutely is doing the same thing. The purpose here is to have it cold. It does the rolling motion, all you need for the massage, and you don't need to be that extra careful when you are using the ice cubes made of glass. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you have any tips you love using when you are doing ice roller massage, please share. Please share. I wish you all the best. Subscribe to my channel, put thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you later. And do not forget to check that guide. It really has a lot of information that I am sure will be very useful for you and for your skincare. It's great to know about things that could prevent the aging right now, so you start acting on it right now and enjoy more beautiful skin years later.